You just bought a huge bag of cucumbers because the price was too good to pass up. 3 days later, they're soft, slimy, and headed straight for the trash. Sound familiar? Today, I'm showing you a freezer trick that almost nobody talks about. One that keeps cucumbers crisp, flavorful, and ready to use for weeks. And stick around, because I'll also show you how to save your cilantro and green onions from the same fate. Let's get into it. It happens every cucumber season. They're cheap, they're everywhere, and you grab a big bag without thinking twice. But cucumbers are mostly water, which means they spoil fast. Within days, they wilt, turn soft, and lose that satisfying crunch. The result? Wasted money and wasted food. But there's a better way, and it starts with your freezer. Here's the method. First, wash your cucumbers thoroughly under running water, then dry them completely. Any leftover moisture will form ice crystals that ruin the texture later. Next, wrap each cucumber individually in plastic wrap and place them into a zip-top freezer bag. Press out as much air as possible before sealing. This simple step locks out freezer odors and locks in flavor and texture. When you're ready to use them, don't reach for the knife right away. Frozen cucumbers are rock hard. Let them sit at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes, or rinse them under cold water for a quicker thaw. Then cut them into bite-sized pieces, sprinkle with salt, and let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This draws out excess moisture. Rinse, squeeze out the liquid, and you're left with cucumbers that are firmer, crunchier, and ready to soak up flavor. Now for the payoff. Add a tablespoon of sesame oil and a couple pinches of salt, mix well, and plate it up. Sprinkle on some toasted sesame seeds for that nutty finish. Want more punch? Add a little chili powder and minced garlic. What you get is a refreshing, crunchy salad with a savory aroma, the kind of dish that's perfect on a hot summer day. Here's another trick. Prep your cucumbers before freezing so they're ready to go the moment you need them. Wash, cut into bite-sized pieces, salt for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse and squeeze out the moisture. Then pack them into a freezer bag, remove the air, and freeze immediately. When you're ready to cook, just grab a handful, season, and serve. Toss them into potato salad, wraps, or cold noodle dishes for an instant upgrade. Let's talk about cilantro. You buy a bunch, use a little, and within days, the rest turns yellow and limp. Here's the fix. Give it an ice water bath. Trim the roots and any damaged leaves, then soak the cilantro in ice water for about 5 minutes. The cold shocks the leaves into staying firm and vibrant. Dry it completely with paper towels. Moisture is the enemy here. Once it's dry, you can chop it or leave it whole. Your choice. For an extra deep clean, dissolve a tablespoon of baking soda in water and rinse a few times. Then, pack it into a freezer bag or airtight container. Push out the air and freeze. Done right, cilantro holds onto its flavor and aroma for 2 to 3 months. And when it's time to cook, no thawing needed. Just toss it straight into soups, broths, or stir-fries. Last up, green onions. You buy a big bunch, use half, and the rest goes soft in the crisper drawer. The fix couldn't be simpler. Wash them thoroughly, dry completely, chop into small pieces, and store in a freezer-safe bag or airtight container. From there, they go straight into soups, rice dishes, and stir-fries. No prep, no thawing, just instant freshness and color. Your freezer can do so much more than store meat. It can be your secret weapon against food waste. These small habits save you money, save you time, and mean fresh ingredients are always within reach. Try one of these tonight, and let me know in the comments which trick surprised you the most.